Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to zoom in Capcut PC. There are two things how to zoom in. First, if you want to zoom in the player here, the video of your canvas of your timeline. If you want to zoom in just the preview, you just click this magnifier icon, and then you can adjust the zoom. You can zoom in or zoom out. So I will return it to normal 100%. And then the second one is if you want to zoom the video itself. So if you let's say you have two video in the timeline on in this video, I will resize it for you. Oops. On this video, let's say I want to zoom this one. So you can scale it out or scale it down by clicking the corner of the video like this. This is the zoom, or you just put the scale on the basic option here. You can see scale. You can make it larger or smaller by just this button. Okay, that's very easy how to zoom in on your CapCut PC. Okay, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.